How to add collaborators on Instagram post after posting. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, open up Instagram app on your device, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. From here, tap on post and then select the picture or video that you want to post. Now tap on next. Then tap on next again. Now tap on tag people. Here you have the option to invite collaborators. Tap on that option. Then you want to search for the collaborator. Once you have found that collaborator, simply tap on that. And then you will be able to add the collaborator on your Instagram post. Now let's say that you have already made the Instagram post and you want to add the collaborator after posting. For that, you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on the edit button. Now you're going to find the option of add collaborator right below your username. So you can tap on that option and add the collaborator after posting. If you do not find that option, then try to update the Instagram application and then check. So this feature might not be available for all. So if you are not able to find this option on the edit button, then you just have to wait for some time until it is made available. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.